What are the major tools for fundamental analysis? The most useful tools for fundamental analysis consist of the economic calendar, the financial news media, and historical fundamental data. The economic calendar informs the trader on the scheduled time and date of the release of major and minor economic data that can have an effect on the nation's currency. Weekly employment reports and interest rate decisions are examples of what you may discover on an economic calendar. Broadcasts from the financial news media keep the market informed of any major economic or geopolitical developments that could directly or indirectly affect the currency market. The Brexit vote is a good example of a geopolitical event which had a dramatic effect on the British pound when the UK voted to leave the EU. Historical fundamental data such as past central bank decisions can be useful to determine trends in fundamental indicators, as well as to analyze how a currency might react to a specific economic release after examining its behavior in the wake of a previous publication. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching to the very end. Subscribe to our channel for more videos where we simplify finance. And in closing, be mindful of our collective responsibility, which is to organize the world's information and to make it useful and universally accessible.